5 exercises to lose weight. If you do like the video, please like, comment, and share it. To stay up to date with my latest videos on effective weight loss tips, kindly subscribe if you have not done so yet. Did you know there are simple exercises to lose weight, and exercising is the best way to become and remain fit? Besides dieting, regular exercise is very effective and efficient for weight loss. It plays a major role in weight loss by burning calories and building muscle. Also, exercising helps with improved moods, premature aging, stronger bones, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Here are 5 top exercises to lose weight fast. 1. Brisk walking. Walking is a very efficient and convenient exercise for weight loss. It's an easy way for beginners to start exercising without feeling overwhelmed or having to purchase expensive gym equipment. It is easy to do and doesn't stress your joints while reducing body fat and waist size. 30 minutes of brisk walking can burn about 150 calories a day. It is by far the easiest weight loss exercise with low intensity. It is necessary to incorporate more walks into your day-to-day activities. 2. Jogging and running. Jogging and running are 2 great exercises to lose weight fast. Although they seem similar, running and jogging aren't the same. The difference between them is in the pace. Jogging is generally between 4 and 6 miles an hour, while running is faster with a pace above 6 miles an hour. It is estimated that a 70-kilogram person burns approximately 298 calories per 30 minutes of jogging at a pace of 5 miles an hour, and 372 calories per 30 minutes of running at a pace of 6 miles an hour. Running and jogging also helps burn visceral fat, which wraps around internal organs and causes various chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. They are both great exercises that can be done anywhere, both outdoors and indoors, with use of treadmills. Many treadmills have inbuilt cushioning, which makes the movements easier on your joints. 3. Swimming. Swimming is a fun and highly effective exercise to lose weight fast. It engages all the major muscles from abdominals and back muscles to your arms, legs, hips, and glutes. It burns fat, trims inches, and helps you stay strong, fit, and healthy. Studies have shown that swimming helps reduce body fat, improves flexibility, and reduces the risk of having several types of cardiovascular disease, including heart disease, high cholesterol, and low triglycerides. 4. Interval training. Interval training, commonly called high-intensity interval training, involves short intervals of exercises at maximum efforts, followed by longer recovery periods. Interval training workouts last between 10 to 30 minutes and burn a lot of calories. They also increase the release of growth hormones, which mobilize fat to be used as fuel, burning more calories throughout the day than a long, easy jog around the block. Studies have shown that high-intensity interval training burns 20 to 30% more calories per minute than other types of exercises. It is a very effective weight loss strategy that can be applied to many types of weight loss exercising programs, including running, jumping, biking, and others. 5. Squats. Squats are one of the best exercises to lose fat fast. It works by burning fat and getting your body in shape in no time. It is quite popular among bodybuilders and athletes. In fact, it works perfectly well when done correctly. The squat is a great lower body exercise that also incorporates your core musculature, says Prince Braithwaite, a trainer and owner of Trooper Fitness in New York City. To maximize results, the speed of squats can be altered and new variations like jump squats, barbell squats, and pistol squats can be introduced. Although many people want to lose weight quickly, losing weight too fast can have negative health consequences such as muscle loss and also increased risk of conditions like dehydration, fatigue, gallstones, headaches, hair loss, liver problems, and irregular periods. Experts have recommended losing 1 to 3 pounds or approximately 1% of your body weight per week.
Advanced Vaginal Tightening Gel and Intimate Wash Set. Tightening Gel. Fast-acting vaginal tightening gel. Feel tight and fresh. Be a virgin again. Intimate Wash. A natural alternative for vaginal yeast infection, vaginitis, fishy vaginal odor, vaginal itching, vaginal burning, vaginal discharge. Be fresh and tight from now on.